Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn how to grab number of all available products in all stores. Okay, so the function will be summary or sum, right? So that's what we are going to use, and let's roll. Select sum from column available. Okay, name of report will be in all stores. Okay, did I type that? Yeah, cool. Okay, now from where? From stores, that's our table, and here we go. So this is total number of all products, right? Now let's grab numbers of all power supply units in all of our stores. Sure, we can do that. Okay, select sum from available as, let's say, all gold PCUs, whatever, from stores where product equals gold. Let me type that. G all the PCU uppercase, and that will be pretty much it. And there you go. Apparently we have 278 gold PCIs use whatever at our disposal. Okay, so only gold one, and we can also use here like. So let's see, where product like gold, and we will use percents to grab everything from left and the right side, and we will get exactly same results. Okay, there you go. And here's the question: how to grab number of all power supply units, no matter of their type. So we will have gold and we will have green ones. Okay, let's actually select all from what was it, stores, and let's go to our command, select sum from available as all PCUs from stores where product like, and what is the common thing? Well, PC. Ooh. And of course don't forget percents, and now we will have all of them. There you go, 328. So that's pretty much it. Now we can also use not like, same command here to grab everything that is not power supply unit. I don't know, for some reason, who cares. Not like, and there you go, 2355, something that is not power supply unit, right? So let's actually calculate that manually. Okay, let me see, where is the calculator? Right, so the total number of everything is, where is it? In all stores, 2683 minus, and the number of all products which are power supply units. Where I type that, damn it? Here, 328 minus 328 equals 2355. Oh yeah, that's it, we are correct. Right, so there is pretty much nothing here to add. Very short tutorial. Just remember, the easiest possible solution here is use this one approach, one-liner, to grab absolutely everything. Alright, so I'm gonna shut up, and as always, thank you for support and subscription, and see you next tutorial.